Hurricane Nicole came ashore the morning of November 10, 2022, a few miles south of Ormond Beach, Florida. But that didn't stop Roger Helton and Rodrigo Skota from presenting their semi-annual Trifecta Maintenance Event. Owners, pilots, and maintenance personnel of the Super Petrel got 3 days of hands-on, real-world experience under the tutelage of a bevy of experts in the Super Petrel hangar at KOMN. Though the event was delayed a few hours due to wind and rain, much information was exchanged about the aircraft, the power plants, and the avionics. The big treat was a total surprise. On Thursday evening, the lights dimmed and the video rolled, introducing for the first time and exclusively at the event, the newest iteration of the Super Petrel, the Super Petrel XP. Not just a tweak or a re-release with a few changes, the XP is a clean sheet design, keeping the same basic concept of a two-seat bi-wing amphibious LSA, but taking it to a new level. The new streamlined fuselage with a one-piece canopy allows for a longer hull for enhanced hydrodynamic performance, as well as more cockpit and baggage space. The fully composite tapered wings improve speed, efficiency, and stability. Larger wheels and tires improve operational ability on unimproved surfaces, and the gear operates hydraulically for both ease of operation and mechanical simplicity. But perhaps the most impactful feature was the introduction of the Rotax 915 IS fuel-injected turbo at 141 horsepower. The ubiquitous 100 horsepower Rotax 912 IS, the heartbeat of light sport aviation, is also available. Fuel capacity has increased to 30 gallons, a little over 113 liters. The panel sports the Garmin G3 glass package with autopilot. All in all, the perfect LSA amphib, the culmination of 2 decades of engineering and 7 years in the designing, the Super Petrel XP is the ultimate flying machine. So, the 3-day event was filled with camaraderie, information, and pleasant surprises, along with the adventure of experiencing a Florida hurricane firsthand. Click on superpetrelusa.com for more information.